electrical to charge our mobile phones, or you plug in the fridge, the electric fan, the air conditioner, and we can use the power. The power is out. My electricity has stopped. Next one, sunblock. A lot of people worry about from the sun's rays. So this is just like something, a cream or a spray. You put it on your skin to protect you from the sun. Don't forget to put your sunblock on. We also call it sunscreen. Okay, vehicle. How do you get to school every day? I drive my car. That's one kind of vehicle, but we're looking at a different one here. This one, vehicle, is a tool used as a means of expressing or fulfilling something. This is tricky. I don't think you're going to see this on a test or quiz, but just be aware vehicle could mean transportation, or it could mean a way of doing something. Okay, now we've gone through these. Everybody still with me in the BB chat? We're going to switch over to the Word document for now, and you can practice the Quizlet later. I think I already sent the link. Maybe I can do that again. And let's just switch over to the Word document. Share application screen, window, Word, and share. Okay, so let's talk about assignment number 3. We've already finished 2 assignments, writing and presentation, and we've got 1 left. And this last assignment, they've sent me the instructions, but the topic was about future job and dream job. So I thought, let's change the topic and do something more interesting. Let's just read through this document together. Then if you guys have some questions, you can ask me. Okay, assignment number 3, writing and presentation. Life during lockdown. What does this word mean, lockdown? What is lockdown? You might see this word a lot if you read English news or social media these days. So, what does it mean? Yes, very good. Now, basically, the government recommends people stay at home as much as possible so that we can isolate. Yes, we have isolation, and we've got another word, quarantine. Usually, quarantine is for people who are sick so that they don't infect other people. Whereas lockdown is not just the sick people, it's everybody. And we will have this other word called social distancing. And social distancing is just trying to avoid getting too close to other people because it's so easy for this virus to go from one person to another person. So in the document, I say lockdown. That's just a way to say, yeah, stay at home. This not going to school and places being closed, movie theaters and all that. So that's what I mean by that. We're not actually locked in our homes or anything like that. It's just one way to say what's going on. Okay, this assignment is going to be similar to our first 2 assignments, but maybe some things a little bit different. So what's the same about it? You're going to do a first draft and a final draft, and you're going to do a presentation too. That part is the same, the word length, all that. But the difference is, usually your first draft is written by hand in class. And then you take the picture, because you can give me the paper and I can write on the paper, but we can't do that right now. Instead, you're going to type your first draft. I think it's easier if you type it into the portfolio. If we start sending emails, then it's going to get really messy and confusing. I get 40 emails and send it back, and then you send me another, and it's just too much. We already have the digital portfolio, so you're going to type the first draft in the portfolio where it says, let's add that, where it says assignment number 3, first draft. So you go in your portfolio, you find that assignment 3, first draft space, and you type it in there, make sure you got the title and all that. And I will go and check it and give you suggestions. Now, don't start writing yet. The first step is going to be, as always, choosing a topic. So this is just looking ahead. What do you need to do? You're going to need to do your first draft and type it in the portfolio. Then I will go give you suggestions, and then you do your final draft in the same portfolio, the final draft for assignment 3 space. All right, so we've got the first draft there. Final draft is going to be normal. Then we've got the presentation. Normally in class, you guys go to the front of the class and give your presentation. Actually, we can still do that. In our BB class, right now, you guys, let me just show you here. Share application, entire screen. Whoa, can I do that? Okay, so this is what it looks like during the BB class. And down here, I've got participants. So this is my chat window. I can go in here and chat. Hey, then see the attendees here, people who are participating in the class. And you notice up here, moderator. That's me, I'm the moderator. You guys are participants, but we have one more role. And I'm just going to, okay, here we go. Make a presenter. So if I take Abdulaziz here and make him a presenter, then he too can control the screen and show a PowerPoint and use the mic in the video and all that. So one by one, I can make you guys presenters, and you guys can show pictures, you can talk, you can use your video camera. Back to participant, haha, demoted. So that's the idea. Down here, share content, I click that open. We can share a whiteboard. We can share the, back to the share screen. There we go, back to sharing screen. You could share different tabs in your browser if you use Chrome. We could share applications. So if I've got PowerPoint open, do I have PowerPoint? Okay, I'm just gonna open PowerPoint. So I open it in my PowerPoint first, then I go up to here, share application, and then there's an option once that opens to choose the application window and share screen. And it comes up like this. So my PowerPoint is now here. So you guys are going to do that as participants, and you too can take over our BB class and do your presentation. So I think it's kind of an interesting thing to try. And there's another option as well. So this is option A. Are we back? Yes, we are. Okay, so that option, I assign you the presenter role in our BB class, and then you've already got a PowerPoint made. You turn on your microphone, you set up to use the PowerPoint, or you turn on your camera and microphone, and you give your presentation to the class over the internet. So that's option A. Option B is you make a video at home, something like that, and then you send me the video. I play your video, but if you do this, the video must have you talking. So those are the two choices for the presentation. Any questions so far? If you have any, type it in the chat box. If you don't have a webcam, that doesn't matter because you don't have to do the video chat. In our classes every day, I don't do the video chat, but you need the microphone. You're going to need the microphone, and you need to use a computer with PowerPoint. And let me ask, who is on their computer right now? Like a laptop or desktop, your normal study computer. Does anybody here want to try? Okay, Sal, I'm going to make you a presenter. Don't turn on your video camera, but if you have a PowerPoint presentation on your desktop, you can open that. Maybe I'll try and find PowerPoint presentation, and then we're going to see what it looks like with the with you on as a presenter. Okay, where is it? You don't have a PowerPoint? Okay, let's see. I can send you one. Can I do that? Let me just open a chat window here. Private chat. Okay. Can I send files in the chat window? No, it doesn't allow us to do that. Okay, we can maybe try it tomorrow in that case. I don't know if iPad works. Okay, Adele, we can try it. I'm going to make you a presenter. Maybe I can make everyone a presenter. And whoever's, no, we'll just do it one at a time. Okay, presenter. Adele, you are now a presenter. You can control the screen. Can you turn on your microphone, open a PowerPoint, and see if you can do that? Anybody else want to try? If you have a PowerPoint, you can practice. Batter, okay, let's try you. Back to participant. Okay, batter is presenter. You have the power to control the screen. So turn on your mic if you want to open a PowerPoint or anything like that, and just try it out, see how it goes. Everybody else, just be patient, and I'm going to check our attendance again. No mic. Okay. Batter, you have no mic. Can you just try and open a PowerPoint and share it? Meanwhile, I'm going to go check our, we got 20 responses in the attendance. So I'm going to once again send that link. If you haven't done the 10 o'clock attendance, don't forget, very important. Oh, nice. Whiteboard. Oh, okay, so Batter doesn't have a mic, but you've got it. You're showing us your PowerPoint, very nice, or on the whiteboard. Actually, that's not a PowerPoint. Can I still control it too? Oh yeah. So I'm the moderator. I think I still have some control, but oh, everybody can draw. That's interesting. Okay, better. This is a PowerPoint. Okay. What is it? Controls. Okay, showing screen. I'm just seeing only black. Okay. Here's another idea. I mean, this is going to take some practice in trying to figure out how to do this. I'm going to send you back to participant. So one option is if you've got the webcam and the microphone, we can just do one of these and you could do your presentation this way. And maybe if we can, I mean, you could do the camera and set up the PowerPoint, whatever works for you. And if you can't do any of these things, then maybe we just have maybe your voice talking, or you make a video or audio recording, and we'll do the presentation sharing it that way. So we're gonna have to figure out how to do this. I think maybe tomorrow I'll if you're interested in doing this presenter, then we're gonna have to go one by one, let you try it out and play around with it. So for tomorrow's class, Ryan, yes, here we go. Where are you? Making presenter. There you go. Okay, you have the power now. Ryan is in the presenter role. Maybe in tomorrow's class, like before tomorrow's class, check your computer's microphone and your webcam and prepare a PowerPoint to try, or some picture or Word document. You can also share a Word document or a PDF. If you did your pictures in a PDF file, you could share the PDF and then just go through one by one and show your pictures. Ryan, what's going on? Any luck? Yes, if you guys want to make a video, I mean, upload on YouTube, whatever, that's fine, as long as we can watch it together in class. That's good. So you could make a video, send it to me, or share the link, and then when we do our presentations next week, we can just watch the video that you made. I think that's a good option because, we can all click the link and go to YouTube. Okay, here we are back in my assignment instructions, and I don't know if I did it or not, but there is one last link for the attendance for this class. Anybody else want to try presenter for let's finish what I'm doing right now and then we'll go. All right, so the general topic, anything about this 2020 situation, lockdown, stay home, quarantine, world news, what's going on, Saudi Arabia. So I wrote down a few ideas for topics here. You can write about anything related to this situation. And we are being isolated at home. So the first one here, tell a story about something interesting that happened to you. So like today, I'm going to go to the supermarket to get milk, and I mean, wearing gloves, glasses, mask, it's very unusual. we can tell this kind of story or driving and going out, but I don't want you guys to do anything dangerous. Stay safe, and of course, you know, don't go outside unless you really need to. But I'm sure we all have stories about things that are going on in our lives that might be interesting for this topic. Next one is about daily routine. In the past, we used to get up and drive our cars out to the campus and then have lunch there and drive home or go somewhere else, go to the gym. All that is different now. So you might talk about the things you do every day are different now compared to, before this all started. Okay, same topic here, how your life is different now compared to before. Then we got stuff about feelings. Obviously, a lot of people are very nervous and worried, and some people more than others. So, what do you feel? What do you worry about? What do you dream, hope, fear? Just all that stuff, more about what's going on inside. The next suggested topic, things that you and your family do to protect yourselves. And I'll give an example. When was it? Saturday, I got water delivered to my home, those big bottles of water. And I waited outside. The guy put them by my door, and then he left. And then I went outside, and I sprayed and wiped the bottles down. Even though the guy had gloves, even though, the chances, it's just really weird. But I want to be safe, so I wiped the bottles down and brought them in my house. And then I washed my hands for 20 minutes. So, this is a story. What are you doing to protect yourselves? It's interesting. I mean, some people don't do anything and some people do a lot. The next topic is about studying. For me, I think there's a lot of things that are different teaching online compared to teaching in a classroom. I like to be together with students in the classroom. It's a different feeling. So this online class is okay, but I definitely prefer being in class. It feels closer and I can see you guys. Right now, like I said, it feels like I'm just talking to my computer. I know you're there, I know you're listening, but it's still a little strange. But the good points, I get to play with my cat while I'm teaching, and I get my own comfy chair at home. I got my coffee, everything's like that. And actually, this online bulletin board software has a lot of interesting tools. We can use the Life software. I can go online. We can look at a lot of different things. Okay, the next one is about news and information. Every day, there's so much information and so many news stories and a lot of fake news too about things that are going on in the world. So you want to talk about that? That's okay. I mentioned your life. How is it different? But maybe in your home, your neighborhood, how things are different, which shops are open, which shops are closed, all that stuff. Next topic, things you think we should do, or things we need to change for the future, any of that. And then the last one, these ideas and words that are new, things like social distancing, flatten the curve, and what's the other one? Lockdown. There's a lot of new interesting words out there. So if you want to talk about those and what they mean to you, that's fine. Final draft, 200 words. First draft doesn't matter, just as much as you can. Presentation should be 2 minutes, and I think I thought about adding more time, but then I think, well, you're just gonna postpone doing it. So we've got a target here. Wait a minute, is that tomorrow? Wednesday? Yeah. I'm starting to think this is maybe a little too early. How about we change it to Thursday, March 19? Okay, so that means we've got today, Tuesday, tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday. You got 2.5 days to do the first draft. And we'll see about the final draft deadline. It's best if it's done on Sunday, but it really depends on how things go. So let's just start with that. Thursday evening, you should have the first draft in your portfolio, and then we'll go from there. But I would like to do the presentations next week if possible. But we might need, it's very technical and could be tricky. Okay, so I've introduced the assignment number 3. What do you guys think about the topic? Any questions? Do you have an idea for your specific topic? In the document, I listed a lot of different ideas. These are just my quick ideas. You could choose one of those, or if you have your own idea, as long as it's related to the topic, then that's okay with me. So what I don't want, copying and pasting anything from the internet, what I do want is something personal and meaningful for you. Okay, so in the chat box, answer the question. What do you think about assignment number 3? Everybody's still there? Okay. Great, glad to hear. If we did the topic about my future job, it's going to be so boring. So I think I'm really curious what's going on in your lives, at your home, in your minds. This is a situation we never had in my life. Mr. Old Teacher never had anything like this before. So, it's just an opportunity for us to think about it a little bit. And, your topic could be serious, it could be funny. But the main thing is it should be, meaningful for you. We do the writing, then we figure out how to do the presentations. Like I said, tomorrow, make sure you check your computer, microphone, webcam, PowerPoint, get all that stuff ready, and PDF. Then tomorrow, one by one, we're going to go through the students and give you a chance to try these presentation tools. And if you prefer to make a video and put it on YouTube or something like that, then great. Okay, today, Ryan, you want to try again as a presenter? Oh, you're still the presenter. Go for it. Then I think for the rest of class today, we can do the Quizlet vocabulary a little bit. We got Kahoot. There's also the workbook, but not sure about doing the workbook right now. It's just more listening and that kind of stuff. What's uploading? The video? Anybody else want to try today? Oh, very nice. Ryan, is this PowerPoint or, okay, PPTX, yes. You can't get your webcam on? I mean, not the webcam, microphone?
I can see it's working. Good morning.
Morning.
Can you see me?
I see you and the
Can you
PowerPoint.
see me or not? Okay, it's working on my iPad.
That's
It's all
awesome.
good. Okay, now goodbye.
So I think it's going to be it's going to be a little tricky to make sure everybody can do this, but I think it works great, and this is really interesting way for you guys to, learn technology and do your presentations in our class. So awesome. We're going to try it, and if you can't do it for some reason, we'll figure out something else. You make a video and share the link, something like that. Good job, Ryan. Tomorrow, everybody, get your computers ready, and you will all get a chance to do this same thing. Okay, back to Quizlet for. Yeah, I kind of want to do the test on this part. Sorry, not the test. I mean learn, not flashcard. Learn. That's it. There we go. Slow down, nice and easy. Did not know you could use an iPad to do it like that. Check. Hello, testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yes, maybe you muted the thing, Ryan. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, it looks like it's going to work as long as everybody figures out how to use this function and your equipment is okay and the internet is good. I think you could give your presentation, control your PowerPoint, have the webcam, all that stuff at the same time. So here we go into quiz. Check your assignment 3 topics tomorrow. Here we go, Quizlet. A common gray or brown bird that lives in cities around the world. You just say 1, 2, 3, or 4. Type it in the box. Excellent. Pigeon is the word. Next one, move a boat using a flat stick in the water. Same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Wanting to know more about things. I'm very excellent. You got it. Curious. Ooh, how many bags you can take on a flight. I like when they give you 2 bags. Good job. You got it. Okay, a tool with a handle used for painting. Easy. I guess you could paint with your finger, but it's much better if you have a paintbrush. Nice. Your body's confused. You've traveled for a long distance. Your body thinks it's daytime, but it's nighttime. Good. Which word is this? We got temperature, jet lag, sunblock, customs check. And correct answer, jet lagged. Next one. You feel ill when you're in a moving vehicle. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Nice. You got it. Travel sickness, air sick, car sick, sea sick. Okay, doing good so far. Next one. A tool that makes faraway things look bigger. You look through them, use both eyes. Nice. Binoculars, you got it. Okay, the teacher tries to do this with the students, and it also means plan to get married. But in this case, it just means keep their attention. Yes, correct. Engage. Oh, bags you can take on a flight. That's baggage allowance. Allowance. How much you are allowed to do. The great or brown bird. Pigeon. And one of these days, my cat is going to catch one. That's her dream in life. Move a boat using a flat stick in the water. P-A-double-D. Paddle. Okay, this one. I have a something means like a fever or your body's warmer than normal. Good job. I have a temperature slightly warmer than normal. Want to know more about things? You are curious. Okay, we're getting there, learning words. Body's confused, traveling along different, like when I go back to Canada. That's jet. We can just call it jet lag, but the feeling is double GED. Okay, which tool used? This is the one I told you, forget about it. It could mean transportation, like a car, and it also has this meaning, good, vehicle. I can show you some examples of that, but I think we don't want to focus too much time on it. Okay, this is motion sickness. That's one way to call it. Oops. Travel sickness, motion sickness, same thing. Okay, this one, electricity that we can use. I have the, which one do I have? We use electrical power, solar power, nuclear power. I have the power. Oh, the tool for painting, paint brush. Oh, red liquid in your body. When you cut yourself, it comes out. Nice. Try not to let that happen. Developing as a person. The same verb as something getting bigger over time. Yes. This experience will help you to grow as a person. Arrive a new country. You go through this one inspection. They're going to look at your luggage, make sure you don't bring anything that you shouldn't be bringing. Yes, customs check. Body's warmer. You have a temperature. The light on your hat or helmet so that you can keep your hands free. Yes, good job. It is the headlamp. Okay, let's go with travel sickness. Motion sickness is the same thing, travel sickness. In our book, that's the one. Okay, you want to achieve something, you have strong motivation. Which of these words is like the push that helps you to do something and succeed? We got pigeon, paddle, drive, and blood. Okay, batter, you got it. Drive. He has a lot of drive. It means like ambition or will. Oh, engage. Tool makes things bigger. We got the telescope is the one tube, but we're looking at the bi meaning tube and oculars meaning vision. Killing it. You go through this inspection when you arrive in the new country, customs, and it's also a check. We got the safety check, we got the or security check, and the customs check, immigration, red liquid, blood. Electricity, power, power on, power off. To develop as a person and get bigger, grow. You've grown a lot. A tool used as this is the vehicle. Light on your head. Headlight. There's headlamp and headlight. I always forget which one it is. Oh, headlamp. Yeah, headlight, headlamp. Okay, the product to put on your skin, protect from the sun. We've got sunscreen or another choice here, sunblock. Stop those UV rays. Force behind wanting to achieve something. I've got a strong drive to succeed. Okay, travel, sickness, headlamp. Yeah, not a headlight, headlamp. Sunblock, protect you from the sun. Okay, we got a couple more minutes. I just did this one. Headlamp. We've learned everything. Hey, how about that? So what I can do here is share the links for the vocabulary again, and then you guys can practice on your own. Let's start with part one. Share, and then part two. Close this back. Part two. Okay, and link. Did I, oops, I shared the attendance link. There it is, Quizlet. All right, so that was part two. I gotta go back and get the link for part one again. Part one. That's what happened. I opened the link, but then I gotta copy it. I forgot to do that part. There. Okay, almost out of time. So for today, let's say your homework is going to be choosing a topic for assignment number 3. And just, think about your daily life. I added the last one down here, changed a couple things. Right now, we're only going to worry about the first draft. Also, topic is due tomorrow, and that's Wednesday. So I want to see your topic tomorrow, and then the first draft due on Wednesday. So I'm going to drop that in our chat window after I do that. Yeah, for tomorrow, just the topic. If you have a good topic idea, you can send it to me anytime in WhatsApp. And, if I say it's okay, you go ahead and do the writing. But I think we've got a pretty wide topic for this. Just don't want you doing anything like copying stuff from the internet. Something like memes. There's a lot of them out there. But I think putting them into your writing assignment isn't very useful for developing your academic writing. I think it's better to write about things, topic choices I gave you. So try not to copy anything from the internet, but if you read some news and you want to write about the news, yes, I will send this Word document again in our WhatsApp group. In fact, I'll do that right after class today so you can look at it again. So really, just choose your topics today. Think about all those topics, how your life has changed, what's different, how you feel about it, things you read on the internet, and just choose one thing. Don't try to do too much. Tomorrow we'll check your topics, and we'll also check giving you all presenter privilege. And let's see if you can do like Ryan did today in doing just a test for the presentation. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you. Have a good day. Stay safe. And we'll see you here tomorrow. Our class is going to be 11 till 12:50. Okay? So, bye for now. Have a good day. And I'm online on WhatsApp all day, except if I venture outside to buy milk at the supermarket.